Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone. So make sure you're connected to the internet, obviously, or you have data so you can download this. Open up the Play Store app. At the very bottom where it says search, click on that. Type in Facebook Messenger. Click on the Messenger option, then click on install. That will now start downloading to your phone, as you can see. Once it's fully downloaded, it'll start installing. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the blue open button or the white uninstall. So you can go ahead and open it or just close it like I will, and depending on your settings on your phone, it should add the Messenger app icon to one of your screens. You can move this around if you want to different screens. I'm going to move it to my home screen and then just simply click on it to open it up. And that's how you download and install the Messenger app on an Android.